When it comes to high-performance luxury cars, few brands command the same level of respect as Maserati. Known for crafting vehicles that combine Italian elegance with raw power, Maserati's offerings have always catered to the discerning enthusiast. However, a new project has taken the classic Maserati Biturbo Shamal to a whole new level, blending the vintage allure of the iconic model with modern performance upgrades. Enter the Maserati Biturbo Shamal Restomod, a $640,000 masterpiece that's making waves in the world of luxury car collectors. The Maserati Biturbo Shamal, originally introduced in the early 1990s, was one of the most ambitious models in Maserati's lineup. It was the last of the Biturbo family, known for its twin-turbocharged V8 engine and aggressive styling. Although it enjoyed a cult following, the Shamal's limited production numbers and complex mechanics kept it out of the mainstream. Over the years, it became a rare sight on the roads, but its fans have never forgotten its promise of raw power and precision engineering. Now, a handful of lucky buyers will have the chance to own a rejuvenated version of this automotive icon, thanks to a restoration and modern performance upgrade project that combines classic charm with state-of-the-art technology. This Restomod is a true tribute to the past, but it's far more than just a nostalgic nod to the 90s. The Maserati Biturbo Shamal Restomod represents a reimagining of what this car could have been, had it evolved into the modern era without losing the magic that made it special. The Maserati Biturbo Shamal Restomod doesn't come cheap. With a starting price of $640,000, it's definitely a luxury purchase aimed at the elite collectors who are willing to pay a premium for something unique. So, what exactly does that hefty price tag get you? For starters, this Restomod isn't just about aesthetics, it's about performance. Under the hood, the car retains the original 2.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, but it's been extensively reworked to deliver significantly more power than the original. Modern upgrades to the engine and its components boost the car's output to a staggering 500 horsepower, giving the Shamal the kind of performance it always promised but never fully realized in the 90s. The result is a car that not only looks fantastic but drives with an intensity and smoothness that rival modern-day supercars. The car's handling has also been thoroughly revamped. The suspension system has been updated with modern materials and technologies, ensuring that the car is not only agile but also provides a superior level of comfort for its occupants. Combined with the new performance brakes, this makes the Shamal Restomod feel more refined and precise on the road, while still maintaining the raw, visceral connection to the road that fans of the original Biturbo appreciated. Aside from its impressive mechanical upgrades, the Maserati Biturbo Shamal Restomod also features a stunning rework of its aesthetics. The exterior retains the classic lines and aggressive styling of the original Shamal, but with subtle updates that modernize its appearance. New LED lighting, a revised front grille, and a sleeker profile add to the overall visual appeal, making this car a true head-turner. Inside, the Shamal Restomod is where the biggest changes occur. Gone is the somewhat dated interior of the original Biturbo. Instead, the cabin has been completely redesigned, blending the luxury of a modern Maserati with the classic Italian craftsmanship that the brand is known for. Leather upholstery, modern infotainment systems, and custom-made controls make the interior not just a place to sit, but an experience. Every detail of the cabin has been meticulously crafted to offer a harmonious blend of comfort, luxury, and sportiness, providing a unique and refined driving experience. As a Restomod, the Maserati Biturbo Shamal is not just about getting a rare car back on the road, it's about creating something that combines the best of both worlds, the nostalgia of a classic with the power and reliability of modern engineering. For collectors, this is a dream come true. With only a few units being produced, this Restomod is expected to be a rare gem that could increase in value over time. Whether you're a fan of Maserati's heritage or a serious car enthusiast, the Biturbo Shamal Restomod is an incredible blend of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. With its impressive $640,000 price tag, it's not an impulse buy, it's a statement. It's for the collector who has an appreciation for both the history of Italian sports cars and the possibilities of modern-day automotive technology. The Maserati Biturbo Shamal Restomod is more than just a car, it's a celebration of the past, the present, and the future of automotive excellence. With its blend of classic design, modern performance, and luxury features, it's a true masterpiece that will undoubtedly be treasured by collectors for years to come. If you're in the market for a unique and rare piece of automotive history that also provides thrilling performance and luxury, this Restomod is the ultimate treat.